Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you all a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Newmar Baystar Sport 2903. This coach is pretty well loaded. There's a whole lot to offer. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this 2018 Baystar Sport 2903, first thing to notice, look at the amount of space that we have back here. That's two reasons. One, you obviously have a slide over here where the bed is, but also number two, over here you've got a full wall slide that goes from here all the way up to the front captain's chair. It's going to give you a lot of huge space back here, no pinch points at all. Over here to start with, let's talk about this full-size 60 by 80 queen bed. I mentioned 60 by 80 because that's the same size of queen bed that you're going to have in your home. What that means to you is that you're not going to have to go out and buy custom sheets for this mattress ever. The stuff you got at home will work just fine. Little adjustment for 2018, you'll notice in here and also in this hanging closet, yeah, we do have the hanging rods, but you've also got these shelves in here. These are fully adjustable and they're also fully removable. All this is really going to do is give you an added dimension of flexibility as far as how you choose to store your clothes, and it gives you the option to do a little more with it. As we go a little bit more, also pay attention just to the fit and finish on these cabinets. As with all Newmar cabinets, as you would expect, these are all hand sanded, hand finished. The quality of craftsmanship on these is literally second to none. You've got full ball bearing slides as you would expect. That's going to be great for ease of operation, durability, and very low maintenance. As we go out into the rest of this a little bit more, check out the additional space that you have here. You've got a big hanging closet up here, so if you are going to be attending formal events while you're out, if you're going full time, then perfect spot for the suits. You also have a lot of flexibility as far as what you do in here. For hanging closets, you can store boxes of extra stuff in here if you like. Over here, you do of course have big pantry space. You can also double this as a linen closet space as well. Just another one of those great features on this 2903. As we get into the bathroom, you'll notice that there is not a shortage of space in here at all. In fact, you've got this 36-inch diameter shower, and as you can see, I mean, I'm 5'9", I weigh about 200, and I've got no problems in here at all. Someone, you know, about 6'4", 6'5" could get in here quite easily, and with my back all the way up against this wall, you'll notice that my fingers aren't touching the other side at all. That's free moving. So lots of big medicine cabinet space in here. You've got good storage up top as well. As we move out into the living area and into the rest of the coach, first things first, dinette. This is a 4-person dinette, and this will of course readily convert to a sleeping space. As we move out into the kitchen, you are of course going to have your standard 4-door gas electric refrigerator. This will of course work on propane and on electricity alike. Big cabinet up top. This is going to be perfect for pots and pans. Lots of depth back there, as you can see, no worries. You do of course have a fully equipped kitchen. This is going to be a gas range, gas oven, gas cooktop, and a proper microwave. These are of course going to be featuring Corian solid surface countertops and double basin stainless steel sink. And the beautiful thing, these are not small sinks by any stretch. I mean, if you kind of think about my arm going across here, that's going to be still big enough for me to get a cast iron pan in there, big enough for me to get my pasta pot in there. So it's very, very functional kitchen. It's kind of one of those redeeming features on this coach. And then up here you are going to have a fold and tumble sofa. This is one of my other favorite features. This is of course flex steel furniture as you would expect, but check out just how easy this is to open up. Just like that and like that. Plug this into that 110 power outlet, flip the switch, and it will automatically inflate into a queen size mattress. Beautiful feature, perfect for the kids, perfect for adults who might have had a little too much to drink. It's okay. We all having fun in these things. Moving into the cab space, you are of course still featuring flex steel furniture even up here in the captain's chairs. This is going to be featuring a Ford F53 chassis. Lots of good things about this. This is featuring a 6-speed transmission. In years past, up until chassis year 2016, these were all 5 speeds. With the 6-speed, you're going to get a little bit more fuel mileage out of them. You're also going to have a little bit more oomph, a little more torque, and a much more favorable gear ratio to give you a quieter ride. You are of course going to feature leveling jacks. So all you have to do with this is go power on, hit auto level, you're done. Once you get done and you want to move on, hit power again, hit all retract, wait for the lights to turn green, you're off. It's really that simple. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, on the exterior of this brand new 2903 Baystar Sport, as you would expect, safety is number one because you do have side view cameras down this coach on both sides. Those are, of course, going to activate when you put the turn signals on. Other big thing, as you would expect, just check out that full body paint finish. Newmar is known for using BASF paint, and on every single one of their coaches, they are going to be featuring full body paint. As we move around the rest of this coach, no shortage of storage space in here, and as you will notice, these storage bays are all lit. So you will have access to these even if you have to go fishing around in the dark for something, no problem. This is also going to be featuring 110 power out here. If you're bringing something along with you like a Traeger or something like that you need to plug in, game on, you can totally do it and make it work. You are, of course, going to feature a 4,000 watt generator. And then check out the storage space that you've got in this. This is a full pass-through storage bay, fully lit, as you would expect. Moving on around the back, something I really didn't touch on when we were on the inside, but just check out the size of that window. That is a huge window, and the bedroom's going to offer lots of natural lighting. You've also got your backup camera there, and you are going to have your 5,000-pound tow hitch around the outside. This is a great view for that full wall slide I was talking about before on the inside. And you notice how much space that we have. That's really one of the most powerful features in this entire coach. Down below you are, of course, going to have your wet bay, your electrical bay, and of course more storage up towards the front. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this beautiful 2018 Baystar Sport 2903. As I'm sure you're well aware, there's a lot of features in here I didn't have time to go over, and I would love to have a conversation with you and go over those in detail. Please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, please feel free to contact me directly on my cell. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.